Hello everyone, today's video is about installing the TRD intake on my 2016 Toyota Tundra. Here's what we got in the box today. Manual, packing material, and the air filter. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, washable, don't throw it away, that's what it said. Okay. So let's get started. So the first step, according to the instruction, is that to disconnect the negative battery cable. No big deal. Done it many times before. Almost everything you do, you gotta disconnect the battery. So there we go. Okay, next step, removing the engine cover. I'm gonna disconnect. Use a flat tip screwdriver. Using 10mm socket. Connecting the hose. Pretty tight, so I gotta pry it out with a screwdriver. There you go. It's out. And that hose. There you go. This is fairly new. I feel a couple hundred miles on it, so that's why it looks so clean. And now we got to take the bottom piece out. Bottom piece of the airbox. So just a quick note, so I recently added the oil catch cans right here. Just 2 cans. So the configuration is slightly different. So originally I had this hose here. Okay, this one go to the airbox and that end go to the T. So right now, so the one I just removed is this. So this one goes to the one of the oil catch cans. Okay. So on the regular engine you would have this, so you're just gonna pull this guy out, and you'll get this new one with the kit. But I'm not gonna be using it because I'm just gonna use the same hose. So next thing I'm gonna do is removing the inlet duct, the original one that came on the with the car. The bigger flat tip, the better. This one's too small, you might crack it. Go. Okay, the next step is to put a new duct in here, but it looks pretty big, right? How's it gonna fit? It's flexible. It's gonna squeeze it in here. Good to wear gloves. You don't want to get cut. I think I have to have this. Okay, so this part needs to be on the top. So let's try again. My gloves. Glove got stuck in there. All right, that part right there need to go inside the new duct. Should be pretty snug. Okay. There we go. This side. By hand, don't want to cross thread. All right, nice and tight. Okay, next step, remove the mass airflow sensor. From the original intake. Ooh, nice. All right, now we gotta install this sensor. Let's see. Let's go that way. No, I think it goes this way. Don't be too tight, 'cause it's just plastic. So, all right. Next step is to assemble these 3 pieces, these ducts. Next step is to assemble these guys right here. Connect them up. This side is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna put it right here. Gonna go right there. And tighten it up. I think the torque for this one is 30 inch-pound. Not foot-pound, inch-pound. You can use number 8 millimeter. And next step is this piece here. Going toward the engine. Line up the notch on top. Loosen that guy up a little bit. Line it up. Crooked. Straighten that up a little bit. Make sure it's straight all the way around, and then tighten it up again. Do it right the first time. Don't need to mess with it again. And then the last piece is the elbow piece. So it's pretty cool, right? It's all like got a little notch, so you can't go wrong. Loosen up more. Okay, so the next step is to put this elbow piece on. So you have to loosen this guy up a lot, okay? Otherwise it won't fit. Trying to line that piece up. Try again. So you have to line up this notch here like that. So once it go in, it doesn't turn. It's pretty tight. So line it up ahead of time. Like so. Now put the strap back on. Torque it later. Tighten it up right now. to drop in the filter. Then get the box connected. Okay, and gotta loosen this guy up real good. Make life easier. Okay. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Hook up this hose. And then let's get this one hooked up first. Mass airflow. Clip right in. One-handed. There we go. Snap right in there. Connect this piece up. Now this hose is a little long, but we'll put it on like that for now. So normally when you use this piece, normally you would use this piece to go from here to the T connector right there. So it would sit like that. Okay. I'm not going to use that. Okay, next step, engine cover. And battery. All right, folks, all done. Thank you for watching.